Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about keto diet for vegetarians. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you with Alpha-Liin weight loss supplement, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the keto diet, and how can vegetarians make it work for them? The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet designed to put your body into a state of ketosis. For vegetarians, the focus shifts to plant-based fats and proteins. We'll explore how to find the right balance. What foods can you eat on a vegetarian keto diet? Plant-based fats. Avocado and its oil. Coconut and its oil. Steer clear of any sweetened coconut, though. Olives and their oil. Low-carb vegetarian proteins. Tofu, seitan, and tempeh. Although tempeh is higher in carbs than tofu and seitan, it's also high in fiber. So the net carbs, aka the total grams of carbs, minus the grams of fiber, make it keto-friendly. Low-carb veggies. Of course, there's cauliflower, but there's also zucchini, Swiss chard, mushrooms, asparagus, celery, spinach, bok choy, broccoli, rabe, rapine, cabbage, broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, and lettuces, arugula, green and red leaf, endive, romaine, etc. Nuts. All nuts are solid choices when you're eating vegetarian keto, but some are higher in fat and lower in carbohydrates than others, such as pecans, macadamias, pili nuts, and hazelnuts. Seeds. You really can't go wrong here. Seeds are high in fat, low in carbs, and typically full of fiber, which can bring down the net carbs in your meal or snack. Dairy. Full-fat plain yogurt and plain cottage cheese. Avoid flavored high-sugar varieties, hard cheeses, and butter. This is arguably the easiest, healthiest, and most complete way to get protein if you're eating vegetarian keto. Eggs also give you a nice dose of fat and have practically no carbs whatsoever. Berries. Strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are all lower-carb fruit choices, not because they're low in carbohydrates, but because they're packed with fiber. So your net carbs are low. You'll probably want to skip blueberries, though. A cup will eat up nearly all of your daily carb allotment. Some food ideas for keto vegetarians. Breakfast. Chia seed pudding with protein powder or protein pancakes made from eggs and protein powder. Snack, sliced cucumber with paprika cream cheese dip or cottage cheese with sunflower seeds. Lunch, large salad with avocado, vegetables, seeds, and nuts, or an egg omelet with herbed goat cheese and pesto. Dinner, zucchini noodles, oodles with pesto and tofu. Sautéed vegetables with tempeh, or spinach salad with cashew-crusted tofu, grilled zucchini, cubed feta, and olive oil. Ready to say goodbye, stubborn belly fat? Get Alpha-Liin weight loss supplement, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.